What's going on, you guys? Charles here from the Traders Corner. It's been a while, and we're been working on a lot of different things. So, kind of with that, what we're gonna start doing is just dropping a series of essentially us just executing on those things that we're trying to do. There's a lot of, like I said, a lot of different things, trading stuff, not trading stuff, and it's really all around this idea of trying to, create our own future through entrepreneurship. So, that's why we want to kind of make a shift in the channel towards that. We're definitely still gonna have some trading stuff in here. Even in this video, we're gonna look at some crypto analysis at the end of the video. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. But besides that, you're gonna see a lot of different things. You're gonna see me, coding trading algorithms, as that's a big focus of mine right now. And then Isaiah and myself working on another business venture, and then Daniel and myself working on a trading platform that we want to create for other traders out there in the space. So hope you enjoy it. Hope it provides some value to you. And like I said, it's just going to be a series of us just executing. So it's going to be very rough, a lot of stuff like this, but hope you enjoy it and stick around for the analysis coming in a few seconds. Guys, Charles here from the Traders Corner. Just going to be doing some quick analysis on 3 cryptos. Going to pick them very arbitrarily. So let's get started. Today, just going to look at DOT. We're going to look at Ripple. And then we'll look at HBAR. So let's call it that. All right. So Polkadot. All right. So looking at Polkadot, so you can see we're doing some earlier analysis. We have this volume profile on the side, right? Weekly. What I want to see on Polkadot is us pull above a swing high that made a new swing low, right? So here we have that at 1080. Okay. That's on the weekly. That's what I want to see on the weekly in terms of being bullish. As all this analysis, I'm really just doing analysis for buy and hold programs. In terms of I'll buy, I still might sell, but at some point I'm gonna want to liquidate and like that kind of stuff, or I want to buy more. This is the point where I'm trying to buy more, right? So all because I want to like hold a portfolio of cryptos, right? And kind of with that, that's kind of where I'm going to keep my discretionary trading for a while, is really just focusing on kind of just in and out of the market, reducing a position, adding it to a position, that kind of stuff, and then leave the intraday day trading to the algorithms. But back to this. So with this, what I'm looking at is, again, like I said, we have what I want to see is pull above on the weekly here in this level, and on the daily, what we can see is we've had a nice push down, right? Obviously we had a nice push down, but we've also started to push up a bit, right? Now we could be starting to move up and just continue to move higher. Same way we just moved down, we could just move up. That's not likely. I mean, it's possible. Anything's possible in the market, but for the market just move straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. That's not generally how the market moves. So with that being said, I wouldn't be surprised if this movement here was just a bit of accumulation by smart money, right? And then on the flip side, when they're kind of accumulating positions, they don't just accumulate it all at once. They generally don't just accumulate it all at once and then just go, right? Price might quote unquote hang around for a bit. And so with that, what I'm going to look to see is if we can see a push below this swing low here into this fair value gap. Now, if you're interested in what a fair value gap is, go check out ICT. There's also another thing that's ICT concept here in this area as well, right? At this fair value gap. And then as well, we look at the point of control for the volume profile. It is right there. All right, we drop to the 4 hour, we see this very high volume area here and here where we get a sharp price displacement, which generally denotes some accumulation by smart money, right? Because when they accumulate position in the market, they can't hide it, right? It's too much to hide. So you're going to see sharp price displacement, right? And so when you see that, and you see that sharp price displacement, that can generally denote accumulation by smart money. So that being said, I'm going to look for this level on Polkadot, but I'm not going to be a perfectionist. We could also, getting down to the 4 hour, start to move from this area as well, right? Just in terms of we get below some swing lows here, swing low, right? And then also really here. So we have this area where we're going to start nibbling a bit, and then this area as well, which would be closer to the 4 hour point of control at this point. And this area is my ultimate area where I would put the vast majority of my position in. Then HBAR, looking at HBAR, So looking at HBAR, what we can see is, again, I want to see us pull above a weekly swing high, but I want to see us close above that guy, which we haven't been able to do at this point. Daily. All right, so this line, looking for us to close above this line. But we can also see, again, we could see a push lower into this very value gap down here. All right, with another nice other area. 4 hour. You get down to the 4 hour, it makes more sense. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. All right, and again, high value area, sharp price displacement, and again we have that fair value gap from the daily. So we're gonna see if we can get a push down there on HBAR, but again, not gonna be a perfectionist. I don't know for sure. Start nibbling here as well, right? And a tiny bit here as we would get below that swing low, right? Into this point of control. And then finally, ripple, weekly. All right. Again, wants to get above a swing high. Now you see we get above swing high here, close above it, but it's not a swing high that makes a swing low, so I don't really care about that. But the swing high that I care about right now is 4358. Daily. Again, we have a nice fair value gap here. It's unbooked, right? You can pull below it, and I'm sure there's some 4 hour lows above that fair value gap, which there are. Again, high volume area with a sharp price displacement, again representing possibly hot smart money accumulation, right? So we're gonna see if we can pull below that swing low, which would be great, just into that area. Put an alert on that guy, but again, not gonna be greedy, which is why actually, again, if we pull below this area, I'm gonna start nibbling, right? And then hopefully we get down to this area here, right? So that's what I'm looking at crypto wise going forward. I'm gonna look at this probably again, you know, at the end of the week. You know, obviously I have the alerts on, so if I get the alerts, I'll get the alerts. But other than that, I can check back in at the end of the week and see how everything looks. Or yeah, end of the week it's Wednesday. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it provided some value. Join us again next time, man.